In this video, we're going to show you how to create a client carousel in Practice Better. If you're looking to streamline your client management and keep your website or dashboard organized with an easy-to-navigate carousel, stay tuned because we'll walk you through it step by step. Plus, stick around till the end, where I'll share an exclusive offer you won't want to miss and a game-changing alternative that might just be a better fit for your practice. Let's dive into how to create a client carousel in Practice Better. First thing, once you're logged into Practice Better, head over to the Client tab. This is where you can manage everything related to your clients, including adding new ones and viewing their profiles. The client carousel you're about to create will make it easy for you and your clients to navigate through their sessions, notes, and upcoming appointments in one smooth scroll. Next thing, on your dashboard, look for the Add Widget button. Widgets are the building blocks of your Practice Better interface, and you'll use this button to create new elements. Once you click it, you'll be prompted with several options. Select Client Carousel from the list. Once selected, you'll be able to configure the carousel settings. Choose what you want displayed in the carousel, such as client names, upcoming sessions, or specific notes. You can also decide whether you want a thumbnail or profile picture to be shown for each client. This is where customization kicks in, allowing you to cater the carousel to suit your specific needs. The next thing to do is adjust the layout. You can choose whether to display the carousel horizontally or vertically, depending on your design preference and available screen space. If you've got a more compact screen, a vertical carousel might work better. A horizontal one, on the other hand, gives a more expansive feel and can display more clients at once. Next, you'll want to set up the transition effects. Practice Better allows you to decide whether clients scroll automatically or if you'd prefer a manual swipe function. If you're going for something more interactive, manual might be the way to go. But if you want a smoother experience, auto scroll can be a great option. Finally, after customizing everything to your liking, save the changes and preview the carousel to make sure everything looks good. This is your chance to tweak any settings before you go live with it, ensuring it's perfect for you and your clients. Now that you know how to create a client carousel in Practice Better, you might be wondering if it's the best option for you. While Practice Better does a great job of streamlining client info and appointments, it's not the only option out there. I've explored several alternatives, and some of them offer more flexibility in client engagement, reporting, and integration with other tools you may already be using. I've also secured an exclusive extended free trial to Practice Better, which you can access through the link in the description. However, if you're looking for something with a bit more power for your business growth, I'll share some amazing alternatives in just a moment that may better suit your needs. These alternatives also come with free trials, and through our link, you'll unlock the best benefits tailored just for you. So if you're looking for a simple but effective way to enhance client management with a client carousel, Practice Better has you covered, but don't rush into anything just yet. Check out those alternative options that might be a better fit for your goals. Be sure to check out the link for the exclusive free trial and the bonus recommendations.